Is it time to buy or sell MicroCloud Hologram stock? In this video, we are diving deep into MicroCloud Hologram. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 21st of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of January, 2025, our system has classified MicroCloud Hologram as a sell candidate with a score of -3.32. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a loss of 52.83%. This equates to an average loss of 1.06% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned in the midst of a broad and downward trend in the short term, indicating further declines within this trajectory. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 38.57% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a total loss of 100% to a gain of 148.4%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected decline of 79.46%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could vary from a complete loss of 100% to a gain of 207.79% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $3.08. Our latest daily update for MicroCloud Hologram includes the headline, Volatile Ride for MicroCloud Hologram Inc. stock price on Friday, moving between 673 cents and $1.21. The MicroCloud Hologram Inc. stock price gained 32.36% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 21st of March 2025, rising from 756 cents to $1. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 79.90%, with a day low at 673 cents and a day high of $1.21. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of 4.76% for this period. Additionally, volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 131 million more shares were traded than the day before. Overall, 140 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $139.75 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $100, while the lowest price was 673 cents. Currently, the price is 99%, or $99, below the 52-week high, and 99.99%, or $6,999, below the all-time high on September 19, 2022, when the price reached $7,000. MicroCloud Hologram Inc. has recently made significant strides, highlighted by its filing of the 2024 annual report on Form 20-F. This report provides a detailed account of the company's operational and financial performance, establishing a foundation for transparency and investor confidence. Such transparency is likely to positively influence its stock price in the short term as investors assess the company's growth trajectory. Furthermore, the company's investments in innovative technologies, including continuous variable quantum neural networks, or CV-QNN, and high-dimensional quantum key distribution protocols, showcased on March 17th and March 14th, position MicroCloud at the forefront of quantum technology. These advancements not only solidify its competitive edge, but could also attract interest from tech-focused investors, enhancing its market perception and stock value. The recent purchase of $200 million in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency-related securities adds an intriguing layer to MicroCloud's portfolio. This diversification strategy may stabilize cash flows and engage a broader investor base interested in digital assets, positively impacting the stock in the long run. In conclusion, MicroCloud's commitment to innovation, rigorous financial reporting, and strategic investments are poised to bolster its stock performance both in the immediate future and over a longer horizon. Investors will be closely monitoring how these developments unfold, potentially leading to more favorable market reactions. analysts have assigned a general sell rating to MicroCloud Hologram stock. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is considered a strong buy. Regarding return on investment, analysts have labeled the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for MicroCloud Hologram. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been observed, which may impact the near-term development. The MicroCloud Hologram Inc. stock shows a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this presents a more negative outlook for the stock. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $1.15. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at 85 cents. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal and reinforce the overall negative trend. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, December 30th, 2024, and thus far, the stock has declined by 84.4%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 56 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 442 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 51 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 46 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 22 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 53 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss from MicroCloud Hologram. MicroCloud Hologram Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at 96 cents, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock is subject to significant fluctuations throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band classifies this stock as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock experienced a movement of 537 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, or nearly 80%. In the last week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 23.05%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MicroCloud Hologram, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profit levels and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 1st of April, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroCloud Hologram. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroCloud Hologram is at $1.03. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroCloud Hologram encounters its first support level at 96 cents. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroCloud Hologram from various analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2023, when Wang Maggie made an insider purchase of 0 shares of ordinary shares with a par value of $0.0001. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss established. Is MicroCloud Hologram stock a good buy? MicroCloud Hologram Inc. displays several negative signals, indicating that we anticipate it will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have adjusted our assessment of this stock from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, March 24th, we expect MicroCloud Hologram to open lower by approximately 0.0391 and begin trading at 0.96. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.